So as you can see, it's just decided to start dumping on us. We ordered our plow part forever ago. It's still not in. So I have no choice but to hook up the bent plow mount. And because I need this, is kind of wet, heavy snow. I got to clear the driveway, or if it freezes up like this, it's going to make it really hard to clear it. So I'm just going to have to use that. The plow part is supposed to come the middle of this week. This is November 3rd today. I'm going to clear off the snow off of our shelter lodge. I've already done the one. I got to see if I can get this plow on myself. I don't know. With it being bent, it's really hard to get it on there because the mounts are like opposite of each other. They're kind of, one's up high, one's low, so it makes it really hard to get the pins in. So I'm going to knock off some of this snow real quick off of the side, off the shelter lodge, and then attempt to get the plow on. Unfortunately, it's decided it's going to snow more. Harder to do by yourself without a spotter. And of course, I set the pins on the tires and rolled over them. I'm just winning today. That's great. It's just wet, packy snow. These in my pocket. Over here, guys, come on. Oh, we're in the back of the thing. Now I gotta do the bent side. You can see how the mount's all twisted. It's supposed to be straight. So getting this in is very difficult. Parts just take too long to get here. hard to get in there. Let me pull it back a little bit, I guess. So hard to get through the other side of the pin. You can get it in the one side, but it's very hard to get it in the other. Get a hammer. So we'll have to go up and get our part. Now I'll take this all back off. All right. I'll have the dogs in the back for some weight. All right, got her on. Crooked damn thing. I'll probably leave it a little bit of angle like this because I'll plow each side of the driveway, kick it off to the side. I want to give Vicky another shout out for these boots for my birthday. These things are awesome. My feet are warm, they're comfortable. Truly appreciate it. All the things you don't get to see is me getting out, moving the camera somewhere else, setting it up another shot. Maybe we'll put this in an outtakes thing. snow hit on me. So usually, you know, last year I wasn't too particular about how I plowed this all up, but a young couple just bought the property beside us, and they've been here. They're not gonna start building until next year, but I don't want to plow them in. So if they do decide to come out here and mess around, and they're real nice folks too, so I'm gonna clean this out so that this is just a nice transition. So if they do come, they'll be able to get in easy. I'll probably keep pushing it up into this area here because they don't come over into there. Nobody does. All right, come out, plow this now to the road. I hope the plows don't plow us in like they always do. We always get the question, what are you going to do for snow removal this year? The same thing we had last year. A lot of you don't watch all the videos, so you don't know that we weren't here for all the winter. My brother's cabin burnt down. We left here last year at the end of September, didn't come back until February 1st. So by the time we got back here, we had a mess. So that's why things got so out of hand. But you can see, it does a damn good job. And it'll do even better once I get the plow fixed to where I've got it at an extreme angle this way, tilted so that it's somewhat straight. When I get the proper parts on it, it'll do an even better job, and we'll be here to keep it all cleared all winter long. So that's the plan. It would be nice to have a tractor. I mean, that's something I do want to get. Everybody keeps saying go buy a tractor. They are really expensive. Hey guys, cool it. But it would be nice because then I could just pick up the, you know, because along the driveway and the sides, this is what becomes the problem right here, is over the course of the winter this builds up high almost to the top of the car. So it'd be nice to be able to have something with a bucket I could scoop into and move the snow. So that's hopefully next year. And everybody's like, go get a snow machine. No, I would love to have one. We're looking at some old beaters. Maybe we could pick something up. It'd be nice to go and do a little playing, because there's over at Caribou Hills, there's just endless snow machine trails, and it would just be a blast to go. And you can go do some ditch banging here too. That's what we always called it, with four-wheelers and snow machines and stuff. These trails go forever. So you can go ride right into town. You can see it's coming down pretty good. I think it should be coming through on the camera. I got the dogs for ballast in the back. They want to get out so bad and run, but I don't let them come up to the front. Hey babies. What do you think, Kaiser? Yeah. Gidget, Tess, Hans, Kaiser. So those you don't know, we had a question. This guy right here, Kaiser, and this girl right here, Tess, are the parents of Hans right here. Gidget's not related to anybody. All right, I'm gonna finish clearing this up. Get inside, check my fire. Remember guys, you like the content, best thing you can do, easiest thing you can do is give us a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you next time.